Hello, here is a quick and easy project making mini tree skirts for holiday tree stands. They range in size from 1 inch to 4.5 inches in diameter, with a 1/8 to 3/8 inch center. Materials are shown and listed below. I made this one quite a few years ago. It has a 1/4 inch opening for easier placement around a tree. This version does not have the opening, but you can always add it. To make a tree skirt, first make a pattern, or you could find a circle object to size. Trace the pattern to the fabric, or you could pin it. Then cut it out. To make the center hole, fold the circle in half, then half again or 1/4 it. With a ruler, mark 3/16 of an inch down on each side and in the center with a dot. Connect those dots in a curved shape. Then cut. Adjust the circle as needed to fit a tree or the tree stand. Add ribbon or trims to the edge of the tree skirt. If using bunca, you can use it as it is, or you can unravel it with a pin and gently pull. Glue trim to the edges, working a couple of inches at a time. Press to the fabric. Glue the ribbon all around the tree skirt edge, and then cut where the ribbon ends meet. Apply glue to the center hole edges to keep the fabric from fraying. Let dry. Now the tree skirts are ready to be added to the base. I will be working on a tree project in the future. And I hope you like and share this video making no-sew mini tree skirts. Thank you so much for watching.